All right, y'all know the deal. Tinker with them every time they go out, and you keep on top of it. What we're talking about, RVs. So today we're gonna be looking at number one. Had a customer bring it back. Great customer said, hey, here's a couple things that we noticed, which that's perfect for me because I've never actually slept in number one. So I rely on somebody else telling me when something's not right. So here, let's get it flipped around and yeah, we'll see what we're gonna work on today. All right, so first thing here, this is too high to open both of these doors at the same time. If you've been in a camper, you know how frustrating that can be. So I got to figure out how this is attached. It looks like it's just urethane glued on. So I should be able to take that and adjust it down just a little bit. And then we got a little flapper right here. I can pull this out and tuck that back in. Somebody probably pushed through coming out one time. So we'll go look in the inside. One more thing before we go in there. A quick and easy just fix it is where the black tank flush is, which is that right there. That little hose fitting is leaking. So I'm gonna pull it out, put some white PTFE tape and put that back on there. That should be good. So now we'll take a look at the big thing. I knew that it wasn't right when I bought it, but it was kind of indicated that it worked, and it's been rented out for 4 months and no one has said anything, but maybe it's because it's the first time the microwave's been used. So apparently somebody used something in here they shouldn't have. So this turntable is actually frozen, so it won't spin. That piece of metal from the plate is melted to the turntable. And so I didn't think that was an issue, had no idea what's going on here, but apparently they tried to make their kids some mac and cheese and that thing started shooting sparks. So y'all know the deal, pull it out, put a new one in. So with that, let's get started. How unsatisfying was that? All right, got this bad boy loaded in and it works. How do I stop? Reset. Was really hoping that was going to be more satisfying, but it was not. The way this one attaches is a little bit different. So using the old hardware on the new microwave, I was able to install that the same way. So I got the screen all put back in, and now I can open them both together, or you can separate them if you'd like, but pretty much everybody wants them in this plane. Also greased this because it was kind of hard to shut, so you want it to be nice and tight so it keeps all the nice air in. And then let's see, oh yeah, black tank. On to that next. All right, so it turns out both of those are garden hose fittings. They're just a little loose, especially this one here, which is where it was weeping. So I got them both tightened up, and now we'll get out from up under this. All right, so just kidding on thinking I was done for today working on campers. So just did a quick weather check, 27 degrees tonight and a freeze warning tomorrow. So we're gonna try and winterize these bad boys real quick. So we're gonna go to the low points, pull the drains, and then we're going to pressurize the valve with an air tank and try and push the water out. So let's see. So here's number 25. Here's the low point here. So this just opens like this. don't think there's another low point. Buddy, you see another low point? Oh, there's one over there. So we'll leave those open. And I'll probably forget those when they go out next. This is my mental note that I need to remember to loosen those next time. Shouldn't have to do anything with the black or the gray, but oh, I came in the wrong spot. Buddy, why didn't you tell me? This is a weird spot. I don't know what's under here. Oh, that must be where the freshwater tank is. And now over to number 1. Oh, that's a tough break. And that's what I'm talking about, y'all. These things that just disintegrated on me. So, so do I go ahead and let that break entirely and fix it? Probably. I should go ahead and do that. So let's see, where's another low point? Oh, here we go. Low point drain. So this just comes off of here like this. This one comes off of here like this. Well, that was anticlimactic. Put these in the belly so I'll forget where they are later when I need to put them back. So had a pretty good bit of fresh water in both of them. All right, got this little guy here. And then this, oh, would you look at that? There's some Teflon tape. I was looking for that earlier. Going into the city water connection. So I'm just running a little bit of air through. I don't want to pop one of the lines. I don't know what those lines are rated at. Let's say 40 PSI is probably a sufficient amount, wouldn't you think? Can y'all hear that? I have no idea if what I'm doing is sufficient. So we've done it on this one. Now let's do it on the other one. On number 1, it's water connections. Over here, let's see, can I get you prop there? It'll work. So now, I shouldn't have to have one of the sinks on because I've got that low point drain open. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on here, crack the valve, and then run over to, oh yeah. Okay, so it's gurgling out of this low point. So that makes me feel better. Can't see the low point from over here, so feeling better about this. So now to the closer. So with that, number 1 is ready to go. I got a pillowcase I gotta put on, I think, and then it'll be ready. So yeah, like I say, always tinker with them. You won't never get left with a whole bunch to do, because look, these things are moving houses. So they're not real, I mean, they're designed to be on the road, but houses aren't designed to be on the road. And so you just need to always mess with them because they will tear up on you. So with that, y'all have a good one. See you in the next one.